Hey guys, welcome back here to an update on our 82 Corvette build. You can see here we got most of the interior in. Got the dash, console, all that done. Got the back here done. Waiting on the storage compartment piece to come in. It's been on back order for a little while. Seats, waiting for them to come in. I got the holes marked here where they got to go. Took a screwdriver, heated it with a torch, melted through so it melts the holes real nice for the seat belts and the seat mounts. So today we're going to work on the door panels. I got my water shields in for them. So let's get going. Alright, we got our water shields in place. Got to beat a strip caulk all around here to make a good watertight seal. These things weren't even on the car when we got it. It's really important to put these back on for the 30 bucks that it costs. I know it's easier to put the door panels on without them, but it's nice to have them on there. The factory put them on for a reason. So got them both on, and now we're going to bust open our door panels and get all of our holes cut. Well, we got our driver's door panel out. These things are packed real nice. They got styrofoam here to keep them, if they get dropped, to keep them from getting damaged. So we're gonna open this up and lay it out here on this plastic. You can see we got our door panel laying out here. None of the holes are cut, so we have to get them all cut. Yeah, these things are pre-cut for all the options, you know, mirrors, power locks. We're going to use this as a template and cut our new one. Well, we got this door panel on. Got it complete here. Still have to order the bezel here for the door handle inside. But it's all complete. Armrest is installed. Door closes real nice. Nothing binds. Nothing hits here, so. That went fairly well. We had to be real careful cutting our holes for all the mounting points. So we're going to get the passenger side one ready. Well, like the other one, we got to cut these holes. So best thing to do is just take your time. Don't get in a hurry. And cut them small, because it's always easier to cut them out bigger when you're done. We got this one all done. Same as the other side. I have to get a new bezel here for this. Just haven't ordered it yet. This one a lot easier. So got this done. That's out of the way. The only thing we have left on the interior is the seats and this storage compartment in the back. And I ordered some new seat belts, so I'm waiting on them to come in to put these rest of these interior panels in, and then waiting on the glass for the front. So once that's done, the interior will be complete. And I also picked up a new steering wheel for it here too. We're going to put that on in a little bit. So let's go check the steering wheel out. So here's the original steering wheel. It, for some reason, was a 4-spoke leather wrapped wheel. It was pretty bad shape. Right here is kind of wore down through the leather, so looked at some options here to replace it and to get it refinished, and they were over $200. So found this one on eBay. This was through Eckler's, and I really like it. It's a 3-spoke mahogany wheel. Got it for $99 shipped, and I really think it's going to look nice inside. They had a chrome version and a black version, but I went with the black because it kind of mimics the factory one. So I got to paint the horn button and the other parts for it, the interior color, and then we'll get this installed.